In this video, I will show you how to make a Gamma AI presentation public so anyone with a link can view it. Let's get started. I begin on my Gamma dashboard and select the presentation I want to share, which is my Video AI tool project. Once the document opens and the interface loads, I go to the top navigation bar and click the Share button. In the sharing menu that appears, I look for the option that says Anyone with the link. It is currently restricted, so I click the drop-down menu next to No Access to change the permissions. I will select the View option so that anyone who receives the link can see my content without having the ability to edit it. Now that sharing is enabled, I click on Copy Share Link at the bottom right of the panel. To make sure the link works as intended, I open a new browser tab and paste the URL into the address bar. The presentation loads in the public view, showing exactly what my audience will see. I will scroll the far end of the pages to check that the text, images, and layout all look correct in this shared format. After verifying the content, from the AI functions to the sample workflows, I can see that everything is working perfectly. I will just head back to the main title slide now that I'm finished. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making a Gamma AI presentation public. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.